Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to how to manage the notifications on your accounts on booking.com easy and quickly. So first of all, enter booking.com. Next, click on your account, and here we have device preferences. Click on it. As you see here, we have the notifications, and now you can manage it as you like. So just click allow notifications like this, or turn it off. So that's it. That's how to manage the notifications section easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.